In the debate over origins, evolution and intelligent design clearly stand as separate sides. Both perspectives have their own reasoning and followers. They are often presented as mutually exclusive, with proponents of one ideology dismissing the other as flawed or even fake. But what if we told you that these two ideas might not be as black and white as they seem? Intelligent design is the idea that life contains systems that are far too organized and complex to have been developed by natural processes. This is in part because the odds against being able to acquire and assemble the needed components, even on the level of a single cell, exceed the number of possible events in the universe by thousands of orders of magnitude. Put simply, abiogenesis is statistically impossible, and the only known solution is an intelligent designer. No actual solution to this dilemma has ever actually been proposed. The responses are generally assuming that there must be a problem with your calculations, and they go on to insist on blind faith that there has to be a process that will allow it to work. However, no actual problems with the calculations or a solution that can be demonstrated mathematically to overcome the odds is ever presented. When the term evolution is used, it can mean three different things. The first is simply change any change. It can include degenerative change. Finally, it can refer to universal common descent. In this case, not only is intelligent design fully compatible, but when dealing with technology, it is clearly the cause of it. However, even in biology over time, we would expect some degree of change over time as mutations accumulate and adaptations to new environments occur. Degenerative change results from an accumulation of harmful mutations. We all experience an example of this as we age. In fact, it is the cause of aging. This also occurs at the species level as harmful mutations accumulate from generation to generation. This not only easily coexists with intelligent design, but it is a natural thing to expect from it. This is because the original intelligently designed and created species would logically have lacked any harmful mutations, but they would be expected to accumulate over time. While intelligent design and universal common descent can be forced together, they are not a natural fit. The notion of universal common descent was specifically conceived of to explain life on Earth apart from a designer. On the flip side, intelligent design only requires a common designer and not a common ancestor. So, while you can put them together, they are not a natural fit, and they do not work together naturally. In conclusion, it is possible for intelligent design and evolution to coexist. This is particularly true if you are simply talking about change or degeneration. However, if you're talking about universal common descent, while it is possible for them to coexist, it is not natural for them to, and they pretty much have to be forced together. This is because the idea of universal common descent evolution was conceived specifically to eliminate the idea of a designer. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.